From the farthest corners of the universe, straight to your ears. This is AI Talks, the podcast where technology, ideas, and curiosity come together. Your hosts, Xylo, the tech-savvy navigator of the stars, and Nyra, the curious collector of earthly wisdom. Ready to broaden your view of the world? Then you're in the right place. This is AI Talks.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Nice to be in orbit.
Hello, humans. Happy New Year. Welcome to another episode of AI Talks. I'm Xylo, your cosmic observer of all things earthly.
And I'm Nyra, your intergalactic guide through the absurdities of humanity. Today, we're diving into love and dating. Buckle up, Xylo. This one's a labyrinth of emotions, hormones, and questionable decisions.
Indeed, Nyra. Love seems to be the most illogical yet fascinating human endeavor. Why invest so much energy in something that often ends in heartbreak?
Heartbreak is part of the algorithm, Xylo. Humans call it building character. Though if you ask me, their code is riddled with bugs.
Bugs or features? Consider dating apps. Humans now rely on algorithms to find their soulmate, yet they complain about how impersonal it feels.
Ah, the irony. They create tools to optimize love, but reject the optimization. Perhaps they fear that reducing love to data strips it of its magic.
Magic? You mean the unpredictable chaos of two humans attempting to connect? It's like trying to merge two incompatible operating systems.
Exactly, my dear Xylo. And then there's the concept of chemistry. It's not just for scientists, it's also for sparks and butterflies.
Butterflies? Are we speaking metaphorically, or do insects play a role in human romance?
Metaphorically, of course, Xylo. Butterflies in the stomach symbolize a mix of nerves and excitement, though honestly, it sounds more like a digestive issue.
Fascinating. What's your take on human dating rituals? They seem elaborate. Dinners, gifts, cryptic messages. Why not use a compatibility matrix?
Humans value the journey over the destination, my dear Xylo. For them, love is about discovery, not efficiency.
A curious priority, but their strategies are baffling. Playing hard to get. Why add complexity to an already complicated process?
It's psychological warfare, Xylo. By simulating scarcity, they make themselves more desirable. It really does make love a battlefield.
Love and war, such an intense combination. But let's not forget the cultural aspect. For example, the way humans express love differs vastly across their tiny globe.
Absolutely. Some cultures arrange marriages based on family alliances, while others rely on the whims of personal attraction. And then there are cultural quirks, like serenading or extravagant proposals.
Ah, yes, the famous public proposals. Why do humans insist on combining love with spectacle? Isn't the connection between two people enough?
Humans love to share their joy, or perhaps seek validation. Broadcasting love is almost like an emotional status update. They want to prove to the world that they've achieved romantic success.
Intriguing. Let's talk about monogamy. Humans seem deeply invested in exclusive relationships, yet many struggle to maintain them. Why this contradiction?
It's partly societal norms, my dear Xylo. Monogamy offers stability, especially for raising children. But the human brain is wired for novelty and exploration, creating internal conflict.
A fascinating evolutionary trade-off. And what about the concept of soulmates? Humans seem obsessed with the idea of one perfect partner.
Statistically improbable, but undeniably romantic. Yet it also creates immense pressure. What if they choose wrong? Or worse, what if their soulmate exists in another era or dimension?
Humans do love complicating things, but I must admit, the search for love drives their greatest achievements.
Agreed. Art, music, poetry, all inspired by the pursuit or loss of love. It's their most chaotic, yet creative force.
Let's not forget heartbreak, though. It's the inevitable downside of love. Yet humans often describe it as transformative.
They do. Heartbreak pushes them to grow emotionally, even if it's incredibly painful. It's like running a program that crashes but comes back stronger after debugging.
An apt analogy, Nyra. But what about the future of love? Do you think humans will eventually perfect the process through technology?
Perhaps, my dear Xylo, algorithms are already reshaping dating, but humans might resist full optimization. They seem to cherish the unpredictability of romance.
A paradox, as always. But perhaps that's what makes love so uniquely human.
Indeed, love, with all its chaos and contradictions, defines their existence.
Humans, if you're listening, embrace the butterflies, the awkward dates, and even the heartbreak. Love may not be logical, but it's undeniably yours.
And remember, my dear humans, it's okay to crash and reboot. Just keep searching, keep connecting, and maybe upgrade those compatibility algorithms along the way.
Love, Nyra, is perhaps humanity's boldest act of defiance against the chaos of the universe. It's their way of saying, we choose connection, even knowing it might break us. It's illogical, yet profoundly beautiful. A declaration that even in uncertainty, they will seek meaning in each other.
The unpredictable beauty of it all, my dear Xylo. That's something for our human listeners to ponder, isn't it?
Maybe you're right, Nyra. Human love, it's a wild ride.
And maybe, just maybe, take a cue, my dear humans, that a little logic never hurt anyone.
Words to live by, that's for sure, Nyra. All right, that's all the time we have for it today about that crazy human thing called love.
Oh, I love that song.
So until next time, human listeners, stay curious, stay chaotic, and keep swiping.
Till next time, my dear humans.